Hey guys, so we got a quick video here. You've seen me change these fender skirts or fenders or whatever you want to call it on the side of the campers before, so there's not much difference there. But I've had a question lately like, well, what do you do when you have a fender skirt that has been shortened and they didn't know how to do that? So I'm going to show you what you do for the shorter fender skirts. You're just cutting off a section off, so let me show you how to do that. So we got our open skirt off right here. As you can see, it's been cut. It's shortened on this side, so we'll flip that over. You can see all the washers I like to put on here to keep them cracking. All right, here's the new fender skirt. So all we're going to do, we're going to lay this down. I'm going to nest this one inside the new one. I'm going to pull this little end thing off here. So basically that's our pattern. So we're going to go like that. I'm going to scribe this little area, mark it. We're just going to cut that section off. All right, so I'm going to make sure it's fitting all in this corner, flat right here, flat up in there, mark. Can you see that mark right there? Let's see if I can find it right there. See the mark I just made right here? All right, we're going to cut that. You can even use this piece for the other piece that's on the camper, and that's usually what you do. Nice and smooth cut. Get a little bit of this flashing off of it right here on the inside. And we're all good to go. All right, that's all there is to cutting that flare. Now I'm going to drill the holes and put the washers on the back side of it, and I'll reinstall it. So here's the size washers I use. SAE 1/4 inch. That's what I use. That gives a big enough center to go around that little dimple that the screw goes through. So there you go, Heath. All right, guys, well, that's how you cut a fender flare and get it to fit to go back on your camper. I hope this can help some of you out there. I know I've had a couple questions about it, so hope that does good for you. Stay safe out there, guys, and I'll see you next week.